A taste of freedom and coffee in New Zealand after the easing of some coronavirus lockdown measures. But Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern warns the country is not yet out of the woods. The easing of restrictions is the first step towards getting the economy moving again.
New Zealanders raced out of lockdown straight into queues to get their fix of takeout and coffee. The country's been freed from a month-long lockdown and cars snaked around McDonald's early in the morning.
Oh, it feels so good. It feels so good. I love it. Missed it so much.
Bit of a relief.
Yeah.
In the city of Christchurch, one cafe even poured free coffee for the whole day. Baristas and coffee lovers alike were excited and relieved.
This is my second family because we spend so much time here, which is awesome. So yeah, it's great to see all familiar faces. So stoked.
Honestly, it's so good to have a coffee, like an extra coffee. The first real coffee.
Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern took the nation's threat level down a notch on Tuesday after a shutdown she credits with erasing domestic transmission of the virus. But she warned that the country was still on alert. New Zealand's borders will remain closed and citizens are being told to stick just to their bubble, meaning their close family or friends. Malls, pubs and hairdressers will remain closed at least for another 2 weeks.
But it is an ongoing battle. There is not one point in time that this mission ends now. Yes, we have done that in lockdown. The goal now is to keep up that work. So we're now in the next phase of the battle and we are not done.
Ardern also says it may be weeks before limits on movement are completely wound back. New Zealand's 5 million residents were subjected to one of the strictest lockdowns in the world, with most of the country shut down since March 26th.